As monsoon is likely to hit Goa in less than a week, North Goa Collectorate issued notices to 15 households to vacate their houses as a pre-monsoon precautionary measure, basically in the landslide-prone Mala and Altino areas of Panaji. Speaking to Goa 365, the additional collector Sabaji Shetye informed that as a precautionary measure, he had issued vacate notices to 15 households, considering the incidents of the past few years in the slopey areas where landslides was a possibility.
We have issued some notices, nearly about the 15 families to vacate the houses to avoid any dangers to the human life.
So it is in which area, sir?
This specifically in the sloping area of Altino, Mala. The staff posted at the collectorate control rooms were directed to collect the information from the water resources departments, from the fire services, respective mamledars, and to prepare the reports and submit to the collectors on day-to-day basis. Any informations received by the control rooms will be immediately conveyed to the higher authorities. Simultaneously, this information will also pass to the police stations and the fire emergency services.
Mr. Shetye also informed that all precautionary measures had been taken as the monsoon was about to reach Goa soon. Meetings have also been conducted with various authorities who have been instructed to take necessary precautions to avoid any untoward incident, he said.
We have set up the control room at the collectorate. This control room will function for 24 hours throughout the monsoons. We have convened the meetings of the various departments. The department were directed to appoint the nodal officers, and in case if any assistance requires from any departments, we will contact the concerned nodal officers to get their assistance. It is the responsibility of the nodal officers to collect and provide the necessary assistance, which may include the manpower, vehicles, and other equipments.
The chief of the meteorology department at Altino Panaji, however, informed Goa 365 on Tuesday that the condition was not so favorable for monsoon to set in. He said the monsoon could be delayed by 96 hours.
Monsoon has been advanced over Kerala. So yesterday this condition was favorable for advancement of monsoon further within 48 to 72 hours of Goa. But now one system is developed in Arabian Sea. That is, yesterday it was a low pressure area, and today, yesterday night it became a depression, and now it is a deep depression. So, but it is far from here actually. But due to this depression, I think there may be some problem because this is taking current to that side. So the system is going to northwestward. Further it will recur towards northeastward, and it is likely to hit near Gujarat and Pakistan coast. So now let us see actually now, but it was actually opinion that this monsoon may reach Goa by 4th in the present situation.
Mr. Singh also informed that the meteorological department had issued alerts to the ports to keep watch on the wind and storm. However, he added that no alerts have been issued to fishermen in Goa.
Here there is no warning for fishermen or anything. This warning has been issued for the ports. There is a port warning from Dahanu to Mormugao for their ports. There is no warning for fishermen.
Possibility of cyclonic storms?
No, here there is no possibility at present for any cyclonic storm because this system is far from here. So there may be some thunder shower activity, and that time there may be some gusty wind in some areas. This year monsoon is likely to be normal. Last year also monsoon was above normal actually. It was some 310 centimeter rainfall was there last year, annual rainfall.
What's that?
Annual rainfall was 310 centimeters last year. So this year also we are expecting the normal monsoon.
Speaking to Goa 365, the Commissioner of the Corporation of the City of Panaji said that they have completed 90% of the pre-monsoon work of desilting the drainages and cutting of trees, etc.
In fact, yesterday's rain has been sort of a blessing where we could find out exactly points where waterlogging takes place. And we are not very happy about the Dayanand Bandodkar road at Kampal, that is right from Miramar Circle towards Kampal, where all these years waterlogging has been taking place. There are some points where there is depression on the road. And we were fully assured that PWD would, they had tendered the work also of leveling the road. But I am told that unfortunately there were no takers for the tender and that work remained to be done. Barring that, all other places, 90% we have done the job, desilting of the drains, and we will be there to tackle any situation as it crops up.